special day for thee. The day of fun and cake, the plain lover is about to age to the end, to the end. The age group goes out, the candles ignite. I would have got thou a present, just letting thou know that it's your special day.